Welcome to my next vlog. It is currently the weekend and it's going to be a long weekend, a Labor Day. I haven't filmed anything during this week because I stuffed up my toe, and all week I've been having problems with like a muscle in my hip. It keeps on getting pulled and stuff, but now they're fine, and I'm at my batch for the Labor weekend, and the view's pretty great. Let me show you off my batch. It's a pretty good view, and I'm just gonna be doing some, I'm gonna go to the beach again and go to the wharf and stuff, but this time I'm gonna try a castaway off the wharf, and Kay will be here this time, and there's my dog somewhere over there. Oh, Bonnie, get down. Jeez, that scared me a little bit, but yeah, Kay will be here and we're gonna have a lot of fun and it'll be a great time. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright guys, so we're just walking down to the beach now. I'm with Mr. Berry. And yeah, so we're gonna be doing some flips there. There's a few spots that we've been checking out and that we want to go to, and yeah.
Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away.
Alright, so that really hurt. He's gonna go for the lower one, which is like half a meter lower, maybe. And he's second it.
Yo! Yo! Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die.
That's the front flip.
Come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making moves. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000
Well, if you want to.
Somewhere by the emerald sea, where the moon and water meet. Somewhere close to harmony, when the world is sound asleep. Something's gonna bring the change, journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space.
Alright guys, so we're at the pool and I've got my sister and cousin, and yeah, we're just, it's so spongy. What's this? A cone dive, so you can't dive as little.
Calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change.
Alright, so the flip I just did, it was so weird. It's like a new thing I found out, and it's been so.
Calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die, so come.
Alright, so we're trying castaways. I land on like my shoulders and head. So I'm gonna try it one more time.
We're rising, we're falling, we're making moves. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000.
It's just like a bit darker, but really cold because of the wind. But here we go.
Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. We're rising, we're falling, we're making moves. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views.
Alright guys, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's been amazing. Unluckily we didn't get to go to the wharf, but all good. But look behind me. It's so misty right now. Like you can barely even see. It's crazy, man.